Welcome back to my channel. I am the Fabulous Dorris Burch, and my channel is all about fashion and style. This is more than clothes. This is confidence and understanding that you deserve to feel fabulous. This is about cultivating a style that reflects who you truly are. To have a closet filled with intentional pieces that resonate with your essence. Your style is your power. It's what I call find your fat factor. And it allows you to create a closet that makes you feel powerful, confident, and ready to own every room you walk in. So, if your wardrobe is making you feel stuck, uninspired, or invisible, it's time for a transformation. It's time to don't be invisible, be fabulous. I talk all the time about what you wear affects the way you show up in your life. It's about what your clothes say about you, how you feel in them, how they make you move, speak, and show up. Curating a wardrobe is choosing pieces with intention. And that is the key to editing and elevating your wardrobe. Oh, and so you know, fabulous is the euphoric feeling that only owning your power and living it can bring. Fabulous is everything you ever wanted to be, do, and have. So, if you're not yet subscribed, then hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications and never miss a video. So let's get into it. All right, so I went in Target. They did the second drop of the Future Collective, and I wanted to see what was there. And I have this rule that I have created for myself. So when I talk about intentional, having intentional clothing in your closet, for me, I have this rule because I have so many clothes that I really need to only buy something that truly just lights my soul up, and it's something I don't already have. And if it is something I already have, then the new item would have to be 10 times fabulous, more fabulous than the current item, so I can then pass that other item on, donate it, give it away. And so when I went in, this top was catching my eye. For some reason, with this little rosette flower on it, I was really like, I like this top, but I didn't like, what would I wear it with? And I couldn't figure it out in my mind what I would wear it with. And so I walked away from it to let myself just see what starts to stir within my brain. And then I came upon these jeans, these high-waisted, these little cute front pocket jeans. And I was like, the stitching in these jeans are the same color as this blouse. And I was like, oh, there we go. There we go. And I was like, that could be a vibe. Either throw on a jacket or a sweater, and it's a whole vibe. And plus, then I ran across this denim hat with the like suede, what is this part of the cap called? Whatever this is. And I was like, okay, I'm a cap girl, so let's just get it because it's so cute. And so this is the look, putting it together. I'm going to put it together with this camo jacket that I have. My booties are old. They're brown and they have this fabulous little square toe. I've had these since before 2009. These are fabulous and I love them. And yeah, so let me get the jacket. Well, let me show you this without the jacket first. And then here are the shoes, the boots are cute fall boot, cute fall boot. All right, so this is the denim jacket. And put these little sunnies on, and this is the look. This is a fabulous little put together, fabulously chic outfit, going out, doing errands, whatever you want to do, go out to lunch in it, whatever. It's put together. You look fabulously chic. So, okay, so this outfit I absolutely love. I was in Target and saw the pair of sweatshirt, had to get it, had to get it. It's in the color of the season. Then I saw this pink combo skirt shorts set together. It has these cute little faux pockets with this little rhinestone, little bling on the button like for the pocket. And I was like, put it together with some tights, my pink boots, and my black newsboy hat. And so this is the look. I love it. Okay, so here's a couple tips. So the sweatshirt is a size medium. It was the only one they had. I was like, it's mine. The skirt I did size up because I wanted it to have a baggy effect and be a little longer. I didn't want it tight or anything because that would just not be the vibe I was going for. And so, yeah, so this is the look. All right, so here's the final look. I saw the faux leather, the maroon burgundy faux leather pants in Target, and I was like, oh my gosh, Target, you are, yes, I don't have this color. Why not? I already had gotten this shirt earlier from Discovery Clothing. It has the blacks, the maroon color, the whites, all that. I thought would be a great vibe to go with the pants. Did the newsboy cap with the gold rim around it, the sunnies that are turquoise with the gold around it. The earrings have the same color, the maroon red in there, the color of the season, as well as the shoes. And these are the looks, the items that I got with the Target theme around them. Don't sleep on Target. Fabulous, fabulous items that I got.